Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. So today in this video tutorial I'll be showing you that how to select a subject or extract a subject from the background if you have an image on your iPhone. So how would you do that? So basically you don't need any third-party application. With the recent update of iOS 16, now you can extract any subject from its background via using the new feature that came along with the gallery app. So basically what you need to do is, let's suppose this is the picture that I have in my gallery, right? So what I need to do is click on the subject and long press it, hold it, and via this you can see that a shine will appear around the subject. So basically that means that it searched for the subject and it will select it. For some subjects, if the picture is not too clear or the picture is too much happening in the background, then there might be a little bit of glitch or a little bit of error in selecting the subject, but otherwise it will be clean. So what you need to do is select and long hold the picture, and a magical spell kind of thing will happen around the picture and the subject will get selected. Right now you can just hold it or drag it, and with the other hand you can just simply open up another app. Let's suppose I'm going to open up the message app and go to conversation, and after that take it and just drop it on the text message. So basically what you need to do is long hold that image from which you want to extract the subject. Basically double tap and hold the subject for a while, it'll get selected, and after that with the other hand close the app, close the gallery app, and what you need to do is go to your message app, and when you bring it to the text message box, what's going to happen is the plus icon is going to blink. That's where you're going to leave it, and after that it'll pop into the conversation. Okay, and then you can send it or save it as a sticker, or you can also save it in your gallery as an image. So this is how you can select an image or select the background, extract the background from the subject on iPhone. So you don't need any third-party application. It's the new update that came along iOS 16. So I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.